Listen to me. You don't need another dose of motivation. You need discipline. Because motivation is a spark, but discipline, that's the fire that never dies. When motivation fades, discipline keeps going. When comfort whispers rest, discipline screams move. Master discipline, and there's nothing you can't do.
Every champion, every warrior, every success story you've ever admired, they all have one thing in common: discipline. Not luck, not talent, not some magical motivation. It's the power to act when your feelings say no. Discipline is repetition when nobody's clapping. It's sacrifice when no one's watching. It's doing what must be done no matter how you feel. You want freedom? Earn it through discipline. You want respect? Prove it through discipline. Discipline is not a cage. It's the key to control your destiny.
Your mind loves comfort. It will beg you to quit. It will tell you you've done enough. But comfort is the silent killer of progress. Comfort is the reason dreams die halfway. Comfort is the reason you start strong and finish weak. Discipline is what separates the talkers from the transformers. Because every time you say no to comfort, you say yes to growth. Comfort gives you peace today, but discipline gives you pride forever. Choose the pain of progress over the pain of regret. Control your body. Control your time. Control your mind. That's where discipline begins. Go to bed early. Wake up intentional. Plan your day before your excuses plan it for you. You want to win? Then stop negotiating with your weakness. Guard your mornings like treasure, because the morning is the battlefield where discipline wins or loses. Do one mentally hard thing and one physically hard thing every single day. Why? Because each time you do, you're teaching your brain, I'm in charge here. Discipline is built in moments of resistance. It's born in the repetition of small victories. You don't rise to the level of motivation, you fall to the level of your habits. So build habits that make you unstoppable. Stop waiting for life to get easier. It won't. You get stronger. You get tougher. You get disciplined. Do hard things on purpose. Push yourself into the discomfort. Because easy choices make a hard life, and hard choices make an epic one. Take the cold shower. Lift the heavy weight. Speak when you're afraid. Every time you conquer fear, you earn another layer of steel in your soul. You want to know what separates ordinary from extraordinary? The extra rep, the extra hour, the extra fight when everyone else quits. That's discipline, the ability to keep going when nothing inside you wants to.
Excuses sound smart, but they destroy you. I'm tired. I'll start tomorrow. It's too late. Stop it. You start now. You execute because you said you would. The weak make excuses. The disciplined make results. You can't talk your way to greatness. You work your way there. Own your life. Own your choices. Own your outcome. Because the second you stop blaming, you start becoming. And that's where true power lives. This is your moment, right here, right now. Motivation starts the story, but discipline writes the ending. Don't wait to feel ready. Act now. Don't hope for the right time. Create it. Discipline is the difference between wishing and winning. Because when you master discipline, you master yourself. And when you master yourself, you become unstoppable. The power of discipline is the power to become unbreakable.
Subscribe to our channel for more life-changing motivation.